In this video, we'll take you back to where it all began, the beginning of all creation according to the Bible. Thanks for tuning in, and welcome to Bible Stories. Long before there were people, before animals lived, and before seas and mountains existed, the earth was still empty and without form. Everything was hidden in darkness, covered by mist and deep shadows. But God wanted to create a world. So God said, "Let there be light," and suddenly light appeared in the darkness. The world, once without form, was illuminated for the very first time. And God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. The light he called day, and the darkness he called night. Then God made the space between heaven and earth. He separated the waters above from the waters below, and so the sky came into being. But the earth itself was still hidden beneath the waters. So God gathered the waters into one place, and dry land appeared. This is how the seas and the land were formed. Then God brought the land to life. Grass began to grow, plants sprang from the ground, and trees bore fruit with seeds. Everywhere life and greenery appeared. To mark the days, the seasons, and the years, God placed lights in the sky. He made the sun to rule the day, and the moon and stars to give light at night. Then God filled the seas with fish and greater creatures, and in the sky birds flew freely, spreading their wings across the heavens. Next, God made the animals of the land, great and small, wild animals as well as those that would live close to humans. And then God said, "Now let's make mankind in our own image." And God created humans, man and woman, and God blessed them and gave them a task. They were to live on the earth and care for the animals and for all living things. Then God looked at everything he had made and saw that it was good. In 6 days he had created the heavens and the earth and everything in them. On the 7th day he rested, and that day became a day of rest and of peace.